So with step 3, you're going to be choosing the domain name for your business. Now, the reason you want to have a custom domain name is because it helps build trust with whoever's visiting your funnel. Nobody likes to see those shady website addresses with all the numbers and letters and special characters. They want to see something like Nike.com, something short, concise, and easy to remember. You can base this domain name off of either your own name. So if you're going to do a personal brand, you can, like me, I did it with my name, or you can do it based on whatever products you're going to be promoting. Once you've decided on a name, just go ahead and click the link below. That'll take you to namecheap.com. I've searched everywhere, and these are the cheapest prices you can get for a domain name. So once you're there, you just type in the domain that you want. It'll walk you through purchasing it, and then continue on to step 4.